Hi, welcome back to Expert Village. My name is Charlie Folkman, and today we're going to continue building our gazebo. So the next step in building our gazebo is we're going to go ahead and do the framework for the bottom supports of the base. Now, if you remember in our diagram, we had the layout of our 2x4s. I'm going to show you how to install those and at what measurements to cut them at. Now, if you remember the 22.5 degree miter cut, how we got that was we took this angle, which is 135 degrees, then we took 180 degrees, subtracted the 135, that gave us 45 degrees, then we divided that in half and got 22.5. So we need 4 of those at 24 inches. We also need 4 at 34 inches. And then we're going to go ahead and go back to a square cut. We're going to need 2 at 69 inches, 2 at 23.25 inches, and then we're going to need 2 at 8 inches. So let's go ahead and take these boards and we'll cut them down and then we'll install them. Now that we have all of our boards cut, let's go ahead and install them. First, we're going to start off with the 24-inch piece. This is going to go here on the shorter ends. Now see why we cut it at this 22.5 degree angle? Because it becomes flush with everything and it just makes it look nice. So go ahead and install this. And if Richard will come over here, when you screw these in to attach them, you can go ahead and just put 2 screws underneath. We'll flip the whole thing over so that we can screw down everything after we get this installed. And while he's screwing that in, I'm going to go ahead and get the 34-inch piece ready for him. Now that we have these pieces attached, we're going to go ahead and put in our support beam across the middle. That's the 69-inch one. So we're going to take that. We're going to go ahead and set it and get it flush with the edge here. See this, what he's doing, this is what we want, and what he has over here is wrong. We want to make sure it's flush to give us our 2 foot on center for our screwing purposes. So now that we have those, we're going to go ahead and put a screw in on each end just to hold it in place till we can flip it over.